Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix Roblox fail to connect to the game or the connection attempt failed error. So first of all, open your control panel and select the small icons. Now you have to click on the Windows Defender firewall and then click on the allow an app or the feature through the Windows Defender firewall, and then this type of the pop-up will open for you. You have to just search here for the Roblox. If you not find here, then you have to just click on the change settings option, and after this you have to click on the allow another app here. This type of pop-up will open for you. You have to just click on the browse option. After doing so, you will land in your PC. You have to just select the Roblox folder and click open, and now just click on the add option. After this Roblox folder has been added here, you have to just turn the private and the public two options on and then press OK. After doing so, your problem will be resolved. If not, then you have to just open your Chrome browser or any browser that you are using. After this, you have to search here for a website which is named as status.roblox.com and hit the enter. This type of the interface will open for you. You have to just detect here your Roblox problem. After doing so, you have to just check your internet speed. You have to open a new tab and search here for the speed test.net, and here you have to just click on the go and it will detect your internet speed. If your internet speed is not enough to support the game, then you have to just wait for a good internet connection. The final solution is that you have to just uninstall your game and again install, and your problem will be resolved. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in my description. So that's all for this video. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.